Welcome to our flavorful world of healthy smoothies that will revitalize your day. In this video, we'll show you 3 delicious and nutrient-packed smoothie recipes that are sure to give you a natural energy boost. First up, we have the Tropical Burst Smoothie. Blend together juicy mango, sweet pineapple, coconut milk, and a handful of spinach for a refreshing tropical treat that's packed with vitamins and antioxidants. Next, try our Berry Blast Smoothie. Combine a mix of antioxidant-rich berries, banana, Greek yogurt, and a splash of almond milk. This delightful berry blend will power you through your day with its delicious taste and energy-boosting properties. And for the ultimate green boost, we have the Super Green Smoothie. Blend together nutrient-packed kale, cucumber, green apple, lemon, and a touch of ginger for a zingy and invigorating green concoction that will leave you feeling revitalized. Whether you need a pick-me-up in the morning or a revitalizing snack in the afternoon, these smoothies will keep you energized and satisfied throughout the day. So, give these smoothie recipes a try and experience the power of natural, wholesome ingredients. Like and subscribe for more delicious and healthy recipes. Boost your energy, nourish your body, and live life to the fullest.